Starting around 15 July 2023, Bitcoin money in every way that really matters is exchanging at $252.87 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.48% in most recent 1 hour. Amazingly, BCH basically has a truly complete market cap of $4,918,109,086, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $396,033,218. Incredibly, this in a real sense makes Bitcoin money, BCH, kind of positioning at 15 in the digital currency market, or so they truly thought. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money fundamentally be worth in 2023? Which truly is genuinely huge. Is Bitcoin money a very wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they generally thought. Will BCH cost truly outperform its untouched high? Which really is genuinely critical. These most certainly are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost especially is supposed to generally cross a kind of normal value level of $339.27, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to be $325.33 in an essentially enormous manner. Besides, BCH can arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $376.27. In spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money value conjecture July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money is supposed to be at around a sort of least of $267.62, showing how generally is Bitcoin money a fundamentally wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin money cost can really arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $301.08. With the genuinely normal cost of $292.71 in United States dollars, which most certainly is very huge. Bitcoin money, BCH value figure August 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH cost for August 2023 may especially arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $287.56, while the very greatest gauge cost essentially is around $315.71 in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of typical cost for BCH sort of is especially anticipated to by and large reach $301.50 in August 2023, in an especially significant manner. BCH value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money really is determined to for the most part be at around a genuinely least worth of $299.62, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Bitcoin money value worth can by and large arrive at a for the most part limit of $330.79, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $313.55 in United States dollars. Bitcoin money value figure October 2023. The extremely normal cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, could generally go to $326.10 toward the finish of October 2023, or so they truly thought. BCH could in every practical sense be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $343.33, with the truly least expected cost of $314.95, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money, BCH value figure November 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH cost for November 2023 may for the most part arrive at a truly least worth of $321.47, while the especially greatest gauge cost explicitly is around $359.63, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The truly normal cost for BCH in a real sense is somewhat anticipated to truly reach $332.62 in November 2023. Especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money value conjecture December 2023. The sort of normal cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, could for the most part go to $339.27 toward the finish of December 2023, or so they really thought. BCH could generally be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $376.27, with the genuinely least expected cost of $325.33 in a huge manner. Bitcoin money kind of past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been somewhat diminished by 2.58% in its kind of current worth. Assuming we essentially look at the especially current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap is likewise down. So Bitcoin money value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money in a real sense is supposed to explicitly be at around a truly least of $267.62, exhibiting how certainly is Bitcoin money a very wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin money is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins in a really significant way. The BCH generally is down to nearly 5.47% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, showing how Bitcoin money, BCH, value figure November 2023, the Bitcoin money, BCH cost for November 2023, may arrive at an especially least worth of $321.47, while the kind of greatest determined cost basically is around $359.63. Which truly is genuinely huge. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for sort of past not many days. The coin could basically have in every practical sense solid essentials at the same time. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in lovely present moment, showing how the coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for genuinely past really couple of days. The coin could for the most part have sort areas of strength for of in any case. We don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource in by and large transient in an unobtrusive manner, notwithstanding, after the contrasting the really current cost and recent days cost history, it essentially is seen that Bitcoin money fundamentally has expanded 46.758% in its worth in a sort of significant manner. The genuinely normal kind of least cost for the month certainly is $130.31, while really greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost especially was $134.63, which basically is genuinely huge. This suggests that this coin especially is a reasonable resource and another expansion to decently your arrangement of coins for long haul, which in every practical sense is very critical. The 90 days cost change generally is around 47.88%. And the cost flowed from a truly least by and large normal cost of $125.38 to especially greatest truly normal cost of $134.83 in the very beyond 90 days, so Bitcoin money cost can sort of arrive at a truly limit of $301.08, with the kind of typical cost of $292.